Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox Series X or S not connecting to the internet. So the first thing you want to do is hold down the Xbox button, turn off your Xbox, and then unplug it from the wallet for at least 1 minute, and then go to your wireless router and modem and do the same thing. Once you reconnect, if it still doesn't work, we can go up to settings now, go over to general, go to the right and go to network settings. Then scroll on down to where it says advanced settings and select this. Then you're going to want to go to where it says alternate MAC address and select this. Then go to where it says clear, and that will clear your MAC address, and you'll have to restart your Xbox. So sometimes that actually helps fix the issue just by doing this. But if it still doesn't work, we want to go to where it says DNS settings and select this. And instead of automatic, we want to go to manual and then type in 8.8.8.8.8. Then press the button with the 3 lines on it and type in 8.8.4.4 for the secondary DNS. And this is the Google DNS. And you can try connecting to your Xbox now. Let's press the button with the 3 lines on it. And then hopefully everything is working. If it still doesn't, we can try going to alternate port selection. And we could try entering a different port. So we could try one of these. And then go to continue. So hopefully one of those options did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.